Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the original function. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to put the integration for the both sides in here. So the integration of first derivative of f of s, we have f of s. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds, we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one, and this one. So we have like this. About the constant, we just put about s. So this is about number 4. This is about number 4. This is about number 3. This is about number 3. 12 divided by 4, we have number 3. 9 divided by 3, we have number 3. Now we have the conditions. So that means when s equal to negative number 1, the function in here will have negative number 2. So we put negative number 1 going here. To find the value of c. So f of negative number 1, we have negative number 2. This one we calculate and we have number 4. And now we can find the value of c in here. That is about negative number 6. So I will put negative number 6 go in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.